वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। नाजरीन, आज 13 नवंबर 2022 है। आज बड़ी ही खुशी की बात है कि हमारे इस जामिया उस्मान बिन अफ़्फ़ान के सहन में यानी J.U.A पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रांगण में एक अजीम हस्ती, जिनको हम इंग्लिश दां कहें तो कम नहीं है, हमारे बीच आली जनाब अब्दुल्ला सर तशरीफ़ रखते हैं। साथ ही साथ J.U.A पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रिंसपल जनाब معراج عالم सर तशरीफ़ रखते हैं। आपस में आज معراج सर अब्दुल्ला सर से गुफ्तगू करेंगे। यहाँ आने के बाद अब्दुल्ला सर जो अपने आप को महसूस करेंगे उनके बारे में معراج सर को बताएंगे।
Good morning and assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, you too.
Very nice.
Sir, today you came in the public school after a long time. After coming here, how did you feel after looking the students?
Yes, this is a very tremendous and sudden visit,
Here.
and I found very nice. When I reached here, at that time assembly was on. The students were offering their prayers, and they were their conversation, and they were doing all activities, other activities. I found it very good and it was appreciable. In so small period, you have been giving this much
Quality.
qualities in your students. This is very good. This is impressive.
Really.
I am very impressed of this. And first of all, I was impressed by making them stand. Their way of standing was very nice, very clear, and their rows were quite straight, and they were speaking very naturally. I studied it minutely. They are doing very good. They are doing very good, and you are arranging them everything in a very nice manner.
Sir, this is my starting period.
Yes.
I have spent here more than 6 or 7 months, but after passing some months, after passing some years, I will give them much quality.
Yes.
In the students, then he can do something in his future. Not only prayers, sir. If you see in the class, all the students are very active and they are able to understand what we teach, other science, physics, mathematics and grammar also.
No, you are very, very nice. I found myself, and I heard with my eyes, ears. I saw. Everything is very nice and in a very proper manner. And they have been learning very fastly.
Really, sir? I have heard about you. You are a very renowned teacher in Kodama district as well as in Girdi district. When you get time, sir, for 3 minutes, you come here and motivate the students how to get success.
I shall used to come. Whenever I shall be having time with me, and I will always plan to visit here. I will also assist you.
Definitely,
I
because
will also assist you.
you are very senior and you have well experience in this area. So I want to learn something by you,
Very
and
nice.
I will provide amongst the students, and they can learn something quite different than other schools.
They are learning.
Sir, you are
They are
teaching many a school. You go many a school. So what is the difference between J Public School and other schools?
This is actually what I felt. This school is a growing school.
Yes, sir.
It's a growing school, and all other schools like DPS Dhanwad, DPS Nimadi, or DPS Gawa, and all named famed schools.
Yeah,
They are established. They are feeling themselves established.
Established.
And here I found that this school is growing, coming up.
So what do you want to tell the people of Kھوری مہوا as well as Girdi?
Kھوری مہوا people are very lucky that they found this type of school in their locality, and it will grow their children brain-wise, physique-wise, and everything. Kھوری مہوا is lucky.
Sir,
And this institution will do much more things for this society.
sir, you know this, there is a one thing that is very great and wonderful for us. I am not teaching here only science, math and English. Also I am teaching here Diniyat, Arabic. And all the students are punctual of namaz. They offer the namaz for the 4-5 times every day on time. So what do you want to say about it?
This is beneficial for Muslim children.
Yeah.
They can maintain their quality, they can maintain their teachings, and this is very good. This is a mixture of world education and diniyat education. This is a mixture. This should be a good thing for Muslim students.
So my guys, he is Abdullah sir, and he's very senior, and he's renowned teachers in Kodarma and Giridi and Hazaribagh. Today suddenly he came here and he saw the activity of my students. He felt very happy and he blessed me and he told me, sir, definitely once in a time you will be successful and the school will be grow very soon by leaps and bounds. So thank you, Abdullah sir.
Very nice, and very nice. I can feel that your dreams will fly higher and higher.
Yes, sir, it is blessed.
Yes, you will fly in higher position, and you are doing very good. Our students have been growing very fastly, and they will do something extraordinary in future. This may be expected.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ये थे अब्दुल्ला सर, जिनकी शख्सियत के बारे में बताया कि बिल्कुल गिरिडीह और कोडरमा, हज़ारीबाग, धनबाद के कोई इसकी स्कूल के लोग नहीं हैं जो सर को नहीं जानते हैं और जिनसे फ़ायदा नहीं उठा रहे हैं। आज हमारे J.U.A पब्लिक स्कूल में आए और हमारे प्रिंसिपल जनाब معراج सर से हम गुफ्तगू कर रहे थे इंग्लिश में, जिनको आप हजरात ने समाअत किया। सर का मैं फिर शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। थैंक यू सर, शुक्रिया।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।